Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to learn how we can group our data in pivot table. So this is the pivot table that I have created. You can see. Okay. So here filter I have used color and black and white. This is the rating and this is the title. I have brought title to the row. Okay. Then there is also gross revenue and budget I have brought here. Okay. So this is the pivot table that I have created. Okay. So there are some of the collections means series. Okay. So these are, if you see, these are the revenue. Okay, this B column is tells about the revenue. Give us the gross revenue for each the title of the movie, and for budget also it is there. Okay, so what I want to group some of the movies. Like let us see, let us try. Control find. We search for Star Trek. Okay, we have, you can see, we have Star Trek. Okay, so there are some of the movies in the name of Star Trek. These are the sequel or these are the series of movies. I want to see what is the total. Okay, you can see what is the total budget for Star Trek collections. You can see. So you can see we have here what I have done. These are the Star Trek series. What I want to do, you have pivot table analyze. You can see here there is a group selection. You can go here pivot table analyze, then you can select group selections, or you can also like right click, you can make a group here. Okay, you can make a group here. Okay, so when you make a group, what happens, you can see here there is only one title. Okay, then now it is become the title 2 has come. Okay, then what is the title 2, you see when wherever there is no manual grouping, manually we have grouped this title, that is Star Trek series, but here we didn't have, but the same title is repeated, means this is the title. Okay, this is the group. Okay, manually it has been created another group. That row has been created and the same thing has been repeated here. Let us see the Star Trek. Let us see, we have it, one group has been created. You can see this is one group has been created. What we can do, let us Star Trek collections. Okay, this is Star Trek collection. This is the gross revenue. You can see this is the gross revenue and this is the gross budget that we have got it. Okay, we have got it. So this is the total revenue for all these collections and this is the total budget for all these collections. Okay, so here what we can do, we can collapse, we can also expand the same thing. Okay, then we have also, you can see Star War. You can also group the same way. We can also do Star Wars. There are some. You can also do the same thing. Okay, you can also the same thing, same way. You can also group 2 has been created. You see, group 2 has been created here. Star 2 group collections. You see. Okay. Similarly, you can see you can collapse, you can expand and collapse. Okay. So this you can, okay, you can Star War collection or series, you can write. So this is the revenue and this is the budget for all this movie. In this way you can do. Suppose you do not want to, you do not want this, what you need to do, you do not want this grouping, you can simple right click and you can ungroup. You will get all these things. Okay, you can group on all these things. Similarly, you can also, suppose you do not want this collection, you can ungroup. You will get all these things back. Okay, all these you are getting the same thing you are getting. Okay, so now title has come back, the original data has come back. In this way you can do it. Okay, simple, it is very simple. So you have to select the series of movies. That means the title of the movies which you want to group. You can come here, you can select pivot table, analyze, and group selection. Else what you do, you make the selection of the titles, then right click and group it. You will get the group. That's for the lesson. See you in the next one.